A+ലേക്കുള്ള വഴി ഇനി തനിയെ തുറക്കാം. Subscribe to the ENCLAPS channel. Ring the bell button and open success. It's that easy.
Hello. We often write relations between numbers using algebra. Also, we have seen how some of these relations between positive numbers can be described geometrically. If we represent points in a plane by pairs of numbers, we can write in algebra the geometric relations between these points and also figure formed by them. Let us see how to find the coordinate of the fourth vertex of a parallelogram when the coordinate of one vertex is 0, 0 and the coordinates of other two vertices are given. Look at this picture. Is the line joining these 2 points parallel to the axis? No, right? So, we can draw a rectangle with these 2 points as opposite vertices and the sides parallel to the axis. Now, how do we find the coordinates of the other 2 vertices of this triangle? Do you need axis to find it? No, right? Since the right side of the rectangle is parallel to the y-axis, the points on both sides of this side are at the same distance from the x-axis. That is, since the x-coordinate of the upper right corner is 3, the x-coordinate of the lower right corner will also be 3. Then, how to find the y-coordinate? Since the lower side of the rectangle is parallel to the x-axis, the y-coordinate of the 2 ends of this side is the same. That is, the y-coordinate of these 2 points will be -1. Then, the coordinates of the lower right corner in the rectangle is 3, -1. Then, what is the coordinate of the left upper corner? Think of it this way. How to find? The left side of the square is parallel to which axis? To the y-axis. Then the x-coordinate of the points on both sides of this side is equal, isn't it? Similarly, since the upper side is parallel to the x-axis, the y-coordinate of the points at both ends of this side is the same. Then the coordinates of the left upper corner is -2, 2. See how to find the coordinates of the other 2 corners of the square without looking at the axis. Here, how to find the distance between 2 points 3, 2 and -2, -1. Assuming x1, y1 equals 3, 2 and x2, y2 equals -2, -1. The distance between them equals root of x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square equals root of 3 minus -2 the whole square plus 2 minus -1 the whole square equals root of 5 square plus 3 square equals root 34. Is the whole rectangle used to calculate the distance between these 2 points? No, right? Only half of its right triangle is used, isn't it? Let us see in what situations the computations drawn by the right triangle can be used. For example, look at this picture. This is a parallelogram, right? What is given in this? The coordinate of one vertex is given as 0, 0 and the coordinate of other 2 vertices as 3, 5, 6, 2. Find the coordinates of the fourth vertex. How to find? For that, we draw right triangles with the top and bottom sides as hypotenuse and perpendicular sides parallel to the axis. The hypotenuse of the 2 right triangles now obtained are opposite sides of the parallelogram. What is so special about them? They are parallel and equal. And the other 2 perpendicular sides of the right triangle are also equal. How to calculate the length of the perpendicular sides? Look at the perpendicular side of the lower triangle. What are the coordinates of the 2 points at its ends? 0, 0 and 6, 2. The distance between these points is the length of that side, isn't it? That is, this distance is difference in the x coordinates. Then, the length of the perpendicular side equals 6 minus 0 equals 6. Similarly, the length of the other perpendicular side will be the difference of the y coordinates. That is, 2 minus 0 equals 2. Since the sides of both right triangles are equal, the length of the upper right triangle sides are also 6 and 2. Now, let us find the coordinates of the lower right corner of the upper triangle. Since the distance between the points is 6, the x-coordinate of the lower right corner will be 6 greater than the x-coordinate of the other end point. Therefore, the x-coordinate is 3 plus 6 equals 9. The y-coordinate of the point at the lower right corner is equal to the y-coordinate of the upper right corner. Why? Because that side is parallel to the x-axis. That is, the y-coordinate equals 5. Then we get the coordinate of the lower right corner of the right triangle 9, 5. Now, how to find the coordinate of the upper right corner of the upper triangle? Think of something we did before. Here, the right side is parallel to the y-axis, so the x-coordinate of the points on both sides of that side does not change. Since the distance between the points is 2, the y-coordinate of the upper corner will be 5 plus 2 equals 7. Then we get the coordinate of the upper right corner of the upper triangle as 9, 7. That is, the fourth vertex of the parallelogram with vertices 0, 0, x1, y1, x2, y2 is x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2. See you later.
3 ലക്ഷത്തിലേറെ വരുന്ന ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റവും കുറഞ്ഞ ചിലവിൽ സ്വന്തമാക്കുവാൻ ഉടൻ തന്നെ ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്യൂ എൻക്ലാപ്സ് ദ ലേണിംഗ് ആപ്പ്.